Trade the market in 5 steps. Want to trade but don't know where to start? By Alan Fairley, updated January 2006 2020. Millions of new feds try their hand at the market casino each year, but most walk away a little poorer and a lot wiser, having never reached their full potential. The majority of those who fail have one thing in common: they haven't mastered the basic skills needed to tilt the odds in their favor. However, it one takes adequate time to learn them. It's possible to be on the way to increasing one's odds of success. World market attract speculative capital like months to a play. Most people throw money at securities without understanding why prices move higher or lower. Instead, the recommended buy and sell decision that make no sense. A better path is to learn how to trade the markets with skill and authority. Start with a self-examination that takes a close look at your relationship with money. Do you view life as a struggle with the difficult effort required to earn each dollar? Do you believe personal magnetism will attract market wealth to you in the same way it means a regular basis through more ominously, have you lost money on a regular basis through other activities and hope the financial markets will treat you more kindly? Whatever you believe system that market is likely to reinforce the eternal view again through profits and losses. Hard work and traditional both sports financial success. But losers in other walks of life are likely to turn into losers in the trading game. Don't panic if this sounds like you. Instead, take the self-help route and learn about the relationship between money and self-worth. Learning how to trade the financial markets begins with educating oneself on reading the financial markets via charts and price action. Use technical analysis in conjunction with fundamental analysis to decipher price action. Price makes perfect, or at the very least, it allows the new party to cash out hedge before committing real funds. When you get your head on straight, you can make impact on learning trading and start with these 5 basic steps.